Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Joe Lish. Today we're going to make preserved lemons. I have 5 organic whole lemons that I've washed and gently scrubbed with a vegetable brush. And to start, we're going to go ahead and quarter these, but not all the way through. We're just going to cut them part of the way through. And the way you do that is you just take a paring knife and you go in. We're going about a 1/2 inch through, not all the way, we're reserving a 1/2 inch. And that's so that they still maintain their whole shape. Then you just rotate it and go ahead and go in again. Give it a good cut. So, and this allows see it's not completely separated, and this allows the salt to get into the lemons. So I have a 1/4 cup of pickling and canning salt here. You want to use pickling and canning salt. It doesn't have any other additives that might affect this. So you're just going to go ahead and sprinkle the salt inside of the cracks of the lemons in a bowl. Glass bowl. You want to use glass because we got salt and lemon juice. It's really corrosive. In here. Just keep sprinkling it in. Get it in all the cracks of all the lemons. Make sure they get a nice coating. And this is also going to help release the juices of these lemons. Just give them a good sprinkling. Just a really nice covering. They're all nice and covered. Okay. There's that. And now we've got a sanitized jar. I'm going to go ahead and put a sprinkle of the remaining salt in the bottom of that. And then we're going to go ahead and put these lemons and press them into the bottom of this jar. Just keep filling the jar. You'll want to press them down with a non-reactive spoon, a wooden spoon, or here I have a silicone rubber spatula. So just press those down in there. The idea is just to get them in there as tight as possible. And you're kind of squeezing some of the juice out as you do this as well. We got one more there. Get that guy in there. We're just going to squeeze him right in there. Okay, I'm going to throw the remainder of the salt in here. And then there's quite a bit of salt left in this bowl. I'm going to make sure all that salt ends up in the jar with the lemons. And you want these to be covered with juice. I have a little extra lemon juice here. I'm going to go ahead and add that. This is about 3/4 of a cup. I'm just going to pour that right on top in here. Could probably use a little bit more juice, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and let these macerate for a little while in this salted lemon juice, and then we're going to go ahead and push them down. It's been about 2 hours, and our lemons have exuded some more juice, as you can see here, so they're completely covered in their own juice. We're going to let those pickle for about a month or two, and then transfer to the refrigerator. Thanks everyone for watching. Please subscribe to the links below, like, and go to my blog at joelish.com for a more detailed recipe. Thank you.